Hello everyone, I'm Sunny from the Power International. Today we are here at this beautiful Lotus Nişantaşı. So, here is the neighborhood that we call it like the richest and oldest and also the most prestigious. But Kürşat, could you please tell me about where are we exactly located?
Yes, Sunny, of course, we are at Nişantaşı. By the way, I am Kürşat, as you know, from Power International. My partner can change, but I'm here always. Then, we are at Nişantaşı for Lotus Nişantaşı. This is the most prestigious and historical district of Istanbul. There are many luxury shopping centers and restaurants and cafes here. By the way, it's between Osman Bey and Taksim. And could you tell me about the social facilities about the project?
Sure, of course. So, just imagine that you're living in a place. There is a hotel, like 5-star hotel located in your project. And we have one of the most famous sports club called McFit, so you will get a discount if you're living here. And we have a mall with luxurious brands. And also we have lots of cafes like the brand cafe and restaurants here. So Kürşat, could you please tell me about the accessibilities to the transportations from this place?
Yes, Sunny, maybe this project is best project for location. It's 5 minutes to Taksim Square and 10 minutes to Zincirlikuyu and 15 minutes to Levent. By the way, the project has own entrance to metro line.
Oh wow, that's great.
It's a very important.
Yeah, of course. Can you see that? There is a Cafe Nero right there. We can go and grab a coffee. So I can tell you more about this property. Let's go.
Yes, of course. But I prefer latte. And what do you prefer?
Okay, Turkish coffee.
Turkish coffee is better maybe.
Yeah. So, Kürşat, can we talk like about this property?
Sunny,
Okay.
just enjoy the moment, okay?
Okay, let's have a bite then.
Yes, Sunny, after these enjoyable moments, can you give me information about the square meters of this project?
Yeah, I'm not really good at numbers, but here to be precise, it's like this land is based on 9,000 square meters and the construction was like 97,000 square meters. And as you can see, we have 54 shops and cafes. And to be precise, let me tell you about the home offices. Like there are 99 and the housing is like 62. And that's it. Oh, Kürşat, what is this one? You're Turkish.
Actually, I just learned that it's 400 years old water well. Like I said, the Nişantaşı is a very historical place and it's normal thing for Nişantaşı. It's like a fridge or water well or something like that.
Oh, to make the water cool.
Yeah, I think something like that.
Then let's go explore more about this place. Let's go visit the sample.
Yes, let's go.
Okay. Wow, this is a big entrance on living room.
Yeah. Yes, we came to the sample apartment. It's 4+1 and the total square meter is 193. We have a little toilet here.
Is the guest bathroom?
Maybe a guest bedroom. And what do you think about this fresh living room?
It sounds really cool to me. Oh, we have a balcony there and it's somehow big. So it just opens inside the project. You have your small community in there.
Yes.
It's a smart home and look at the floor.
Just a
heating.
second, Sunny. As you know, it's sunny and it's too hot. I will take it off my jacket.
Oh my god.
You can continue, please.
You all know this is a smart house. So we have the heating system from the ground and we have the air conditioner from the ceilings. Let's go see the balcony together.
Okay, I came to join you.
Oh, thank you.
This balcony can see whole cafes and restaurants, especially inside the project.
And it has like 24 hours security, as I know. So it's like a really safe place to live with your family.
Yeah, of course.
So here we have the kitchen is like the closed kitchen is like the traditions in Turkey, so we know that. Next.
When we are continue here, we have a room. Let's continue. We have a laundry room here. Actually, it's not room, but it's useful for laundry.
Closets and laundry together. So we have the first biggest bathroom here.
And we have another bedroom here. By the way, whole bedrooms has access to the balconies.
That's great.
Yeah.
So, Kürşat, what do you think about this apartment?
This floor was wonderful, and let's explore the upstairs.
Let's go together.
Ladies first.
Thank you. So we have the two master bedrooms here.
Choose one of them.
I got this one.
Okay.
Sorry. Here together. So this balcony, you can use it to put some sofa here for your relaxations, or you can grow some plants and use it as a small garden. And here we have your private bathroom.
Actually, this is the same room where Sunny mentioned. It will be boring to say same things, and this time I can give you special information about me. I can talk about Fight Club. As we finished the upstairs tour, actually we finished the whole tour of sample apartment. It was really nice.
It was fantastic.
Yes.
Yeah. Why don't we go out and check the place again together?
Let's go.
Okay.
Today we visited the Lotus Nişantaşı project. I hope you enjoyed that.
I hope to see you again in the next video.
Discover the power of investment.